Everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off incognito mode on YouTube, Android, or iPhone. So it's very simple process. So please subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. This will help a lot. So now let's jump right into the video. So what you need to do is to go to and here check if you have turned on incognito mode, and then go back to YouTube, and here what you have to do is to tab on settings, and from here tab on general, and then change location to United States and also enable stats for nerds. Then go back, exit, leave general, and from here now you have the setting to tab on your profile and then select turn off incognito. And now you turn off incognito. That's all you need to do in order to turn off incognito. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.